Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today I'm going to share this beautiful dot mandala pendant and earring set DIY using one packet of molded. So let's get started. So first I'll mix the resin and hardener which comes in molded packet to make a white clay. Now once my clay is ready to be molded, I'm going to be applying little bit of talcum powder so that the clay does not stick to the surface and to the hands. And now I'll roll this clay with my rolling pin till I'm satisfied with the thickness, and then I'll cut a rectangular kind of a shape, but I'm not aiming a perfect rectangle shape with this DIY because I want that handmade look to it. Handmade is always unique and not perfect. We don't aim for perfectness in handmade. So yeah, now I'm rolling it gently on top of the surface to make it even, and then I'll work my way through till I'm satisfied with the shape of my pendant. Now I'll take this clay tool and press it gently all around this pendant shape to form a border like this. Next I'm piercing two holes on top of the pendant like this to make it wearable. Now my pendant base is ready. Now I'll work to make some earrings, two earrings and some beads. Now here I am making some beads with the leftover clay. You can do the same thing if you have leftover clay while making any kind of clay project. So yeah, my pendant, two earrings, and I have made 6 beads for now. I don't know how many I'm going to use them. Now I'll let them dry for a few hours and then they are ready to be sanded to make the edges even and soft. After sanding, remove the excess dust from it, and now I'll give a black acrylic paint base to all of my pieces. Now I'll keep them aside to let the black paint dry completely, and now our pendant and all the pieces, beads and earrings are ready for painting a dot mandala. Now I'm using acrylic paints to paint a simple dot mandala design on top of the black paint I have painted on all the pieces. I'm using simple red, orange, green colors and little bit of bronze and gold paint in between to make it a traditional kind of a pendant, and I'm also making small dots to make this dot mandala design as the surface I'm working on is very small. So yeah, enjoy the process of this dot mandala design. To highlight the border we made, I'm going to take little bit of gold paint on my finger and I'll rub it gently throughout the border of pendant and earrings. So I'm done with the dot mandala design on the pendant, and I'm going to take the similar shades and will paint a simple small dot mandala on the earrings to make it a matching set. And here I am using the dry brush technique to add some gold paint to the beads, and now I'm making a simple dot mandala design on the earrings. Once I'm done painting, I'll let these pieces dry completely for a few hours and then I'll apply a layer of Mod Podge to seal the paint and make it more durable. But I did a mistake of applying a lot of Mod Podge. As you can see here, I should have applied with a brush a thin layer of Mod Podge, and even if you are applying with a sponge, apply a thin layer, not like this, because after it has dried, the small bubbles were showing up to the pendant when we look it closely. So I didn't like that effect and I was like, why did I apply so much of Mod Podge to it? So now once my Mod Podge has dried, I am using the jewelry making accessories to attach a bead to the pendant and the earrings, and then attaching more jewelry accessories like earring hook and jump ring to it to make it wearable. And now all the pieces are ready to wear. This video was requested by Neha Gupta. I hope you all liked this video. I hope Neha liked this video, and like this video if you like it. Comment down below your thoughts on it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach 250,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.